In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Figma in just 5 minutes. This guide is all about making sure your text elements in Figma are perfectly aligned, ensuring your designs look professional and polished every time. Let's dive in by opening Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Figma is an excellent platform for creating stunning designs with ease. First, open your web browser and head over to the Figma website. Once you're there, you'll notice the prominent Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This step is straightforward but crucial, as logging into your Figma account ensures you have access to all your design files and projects. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is the hub where you can access recent files, explore templates, and manage your team projects. Now, what you want to do next is to click on the Design tab. This will take you to your design workspace, where all the magic happens. With the Design tab open, let's move on to selecting the Text tool. In Figma, the Text tool is your gateway to adding and modifying textual content on your canvas. You'll find it in the toolbar, often represented by a T icon. Click on it, and then click anywhere on your canvas to create a new text box or select an existing text element. Now here's where we focus on the main task, aligning the text. In Figma, alignment is key to ensuring consistency in your design. With your text box selected, look towards the top of your screen for the alignment options. These are usually located in the design panel, just above the canvas area. You'll see a set of icons representing different alignment choices: left, center, right, top, middle, and bottom. Click on the alignment option that best suits your design needs. If you're aligning text within a frame, Figma also allows you to distribute it evenly, providing a balanced appearance across your design. Remember, aligning text isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing readability and coherence in your design layout. Properly aligned text helps guide the viewer's eye smoothly, making your design both visually appealing and easy to understand. And that's it. Once you've selected the alignment that fits your design, your text will snap into place, perfectly aligned within your layout. By following these simple steps, you've ensured that your text elements are consistently aligned, contributing to a professional looking design. Thanks for watching. Be sure to practice these steps as you work on your projects, and soon, aligning text in Figma will become second nature. Happy designing!